أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه والتابعين وكل من اتبع هداه إلى يوم الدين. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بإذن الله تعالى, I will be taking this from where we stopped in the previous class, and that is we are starting from Umar. Umar. We want to say some things about Umar. So now everybody knows what Umar means. Umar is a name of it. Umar is a name. Umar. Now this wants to tell us some things about Umar. So we are starting from the first box, and that is kharaja Umaru wa dakhala. Kharaja Umaru wa dakhala. Umar went outside and came in. Of course, everybody should be able to translate this if you're following our class. So our classes. So when someone exits or leave a place, you say kharaja. So and dakhala is to enter. So kharaja Umaru. Umar exits or Umar goes out. Umar goes out. Wa dakhala and enter. Wa basata furushahu faqa'ada. Wa basata and basata. Basata means to spread. So wa basata furush. Get this explanation that I'm about to I'm going to make an explanation here, so just try to get it. Furush is a plural form of firash. Firashu. Firashu is paf kasra fira vatara alif and ra shin domishu. Firashu, that's bed. While the plural form is furushu. So now we have furush here. Maybe what it is intended is that maybe his beds, or maybe he has one on a bed, or it's a mistake. It's any of the two is possible. So because if they are referring to one person, then it is expected that that person only has a bed, that is in just that room that he can sit on. And that's because we have faqa'ad after it. Just get this. Furush, as it's written, it's the plural of firashu. And I said firash, it's bed. Firashu, it's what? Bed. Wabasat, and it spreads, that is, it lays what? Furusha is bed. Is beds. As it is written here, furush means beds. While its singular form is firashu, that is a bed. And that's who is the third person singular. That is, we are discussing about Umar. So now who is referring to him? And he, that is he lays his bed. Qa'ada, that is, he sat down. Just like we have that of jalasa as well. So we are, I think that is clear enough. And now we are moving to the next one, which is shariba, he drink. Fadhahaba dhama'uhu, and is first. Dhama'u without the ha at end. It dhama'u on its own means first. Thirst. First. That's a dhama'u. And that's who is telling us dhama'uhu, that is thirst. So what does that go? Is drink fadhahaba, and it goes. What does not go is thirst. So after drinking water, is first vanished. Now we have nasaba. نصب سروره بغرفه. نصب سروره بغرفه. نصب سروره بغرفه. What's the meaning of nasaba? The T is set. Is set. Surur. It is the plural form of serir. Serir is the singular form. That is one bed. That's another word. Serir. Just like we have furush. That serir can be used for is all these cushion chairs. You know all those cushion chairs. So serir can be used for that. Those couch can be used for them. Seriru. Seriru. And likewise the bed. Seriru as well can be used for bed. Just like firash can be used. Just like firash means bed. Now, wabasata. No, nasaba is said. Sururahu is called is cushion chairs or is beds. بغرفه. بغرفه. غرف in Arabic language, it is the plural form of ghurfatu. 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 We know we have ghurfatu. Ghurfatu is the singular form of is the singular form of ghurf. Ghurfatu is going to rasukun ghur. Then we have fa ghurfa and tadumatu, which makes it ghurfatu. So is bed in his rooms. Probably he has more than a room in his house. So he has different rooms in his house, and he's the owner of the bed. All the couches, the cushion chairs, sorry. He sets them بغرفه in his rooms. In his rooms. I said the singular form is غرفة, while we have the plural form to be غرف. So he set his beds to his rooms. مرض. مرض. مرض فضعف بدنه. مرض فضعف بدنه. مرض means he become ill. He become ill. فضعف بدنه. Badan, the verb there is ضعف, which means to become weak. So what is that thing that becomes weak? Badanuhu. Badanuhu, his body. But marida, it becomes sick. فضعف badanuhu. Then his body becomes weak. مرض فضعف badanuhu. He becomes sick. He is sick. فضعف badanuhu. Then his body becomes weak. And now we have the last one, which it is ركب جمله ليصل رحمه. ركب جمله ليصل رحمه. Now what does that mean? Let's take it one by one. We have rakiba, which means he climbed or he ride. So he ride jamalahu. What's the meaning of jamal in Arabic language? Is camel. Camel. Because that who is telling you that he is the owner of the camel. Rakiba jamalahu. He climbed or he rides his what? He rides what? Camel. And what's the purpose of riding his why is he riding his camel? It is for what? Liyasila rahimahu. Liyasila rahimahu. So as to connect. So as to connect is what? Rahimahu is kinship. Is kinship. Rakiba jamalahu. He climbed his camel. لِيَصِلَ رَحِمَهُ, so as to connect his kinship, maybe by visiting his family house or by settling maybe any matter that has been transpiring within his brothers or himself and the family. So, and that's one of the good things that a Muslim should always indulge in, should always try to do, settling anything that can lead to hatred or enmity within the family members. So joining the ties of the kinship. So that's one of those things that Allah really love. And it's very, very essential that we do that if we want to attain the mercy of our Lord. No, so now, so we have Rakiba Jamalahu, he climbed his camel, liyasila rahimahu, so as to join his kinship, so as to connect with his kinship. And that's where we are going to stop for today. وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه الأخيار وسلم تسليما كثيرا. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.